Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel where I share my trade ideas on Forex pairs and Bitcoin. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell notification so that anytime we drop a content, YouTube will notify you. So basically yesterday we were talking about some trades. Let's look at it and look at what happened. So I will start with the one I took. I took the one on GBP CHF, although it wasn't a successful trade, but then it met my criteria of entering, so I did, but it didn't turn out very good. So basically, we haven't seen this pair on an uptrend. So and then yesterday we started seeing. I said that maybe this pair are trying to touch this trend line here. And then after a touch on this trend line, then the movement to the upside would continue, or maybe a break of the trend line might signify a change of trend. So that was basically what I was looking out for yesterday, and that happened on, okay, let's go to the 15 minutes time frame. So I was expecting a break of this line I had put right here, which has been holding. So there was actually a break and a retest, and the retest happened on the line. That is to say, it just retested the line. That's the wick, the rejection wick of this candle right here. Let me zoom in a little bit so that you see better. This rejection wick here happened on that particular line I had put this weak rejection here. So it made me understand that, okay, that the bears are not willing to allow the bulls to push through to the upside. So I entered the market. I made some profit here, which I posted on the Telegram channel before the market turned against us. So, but then that was one of those days that trades don't go how you plan them. So we took the loss and walked away, and then had to strategize. We kept looking at the chart and then hoping to re-strategize today. So that was it. And then I was talking about selling GBP card yesterday as well, because there is this level here that has been holding. Although I didn't get on this trade because I had marked my entry here. And if I had entered on this trade, I would have still been on this trade till this point because it hadn't taken my my stop loss space. You can see my measurement right here. So, but then I didn't enter on this trade because it didn't give me a perfect entry point. It only came to test this zone which I had marked out that was supposed to be my entry zone. It only came to test it and then move to the upside again without you know, a very good confirmation to enter the trade. So that's why I didn't enter it. So this morning again, my bias on buying it is still active until we had the CPI that came in from UK this morning, just a few minutes ago. That was when this news happened, and you can see this spike up here. So let's continue to see what happened, because it seems GBP card is rejecting at this psychological level. It seems it's rejecting at this psychological level. But then what can we do? We keep looking at the market. So, but then I don't have interest on buying this pair anymore anyway, but I'm just observing it. So let's go to okay. So still on the one I took yesterday, I'm still looking at it. But it's not part of my trade ideas today. I'm still looking at it. I think the bias of this pair touching this trend line is still intact. Yeah, I'm still seeing it that it's still keeping up. It wants to touch this trend line, but then I am not sure I would want to trade this because it is not giving me my setup. So, but I will just allow it and watch it touch this trend line. Then I will know how I will go about this trade again. But for me, I'm not considering taking this trade today. However, the trades I'll be taking today will be on CADCHF or Euro CHF. Yeah, those pairs are in a very good trend. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the bell notification. Thank you very much. So let's go to our trade ideas for today. So let's start with the CHF card. So look at what we are having here. You know, let's start from the day chart. So you see why I want to sell this pair. So you can see what has happened here. You know, it has come here, rejected at this point, it is actually on a downtrend. You can see what had happened here. Rejected here, rejected here, rejected here, came down, crossed this level again, rejected at this particular zone here. So that made my interest on this pair go high. So I'm very much interested on this pair. So how am I going to trade it? Let's go to the lower time frame where we take our trades from. So let me move to the 15 minutes time frame. So just take a look at this. So, you know, this line I had put here, this zone right here has been holding. This zone has been holding, and then look at what we got today, and you see the trend to the downside is active. So that's why I'm looking at this pair, and I'm expecting a cross and retest of this line. Yes, a cross and retest of this line, and gradually it is giving us a cross, and then this one now is going up. Let me see how it's going to retest it. Now, should this candle end with the wick only being on this line, that is to say, should this this green candle right here now, this green candle that is forming, should it end a bearish candle? Should it end a bearish candle, you know, closing somewhere around here, you know, that would be a way of saying this. That would be a way of saying that it has gone to retest, and then it didn't, the body of the candle closed below this line, which is what I'm expecting. And then it doesn't get equal to this point, this red one here, this red one where the movement started, where it's heading towards now. But I don't want it to, but then if it does that, then I will consider entering on the sell on this. So similar thing is going to happen on USDCHF. I think they're having similar this thing there. Let's look at it. So okay, look at what is happening here. You know, similar thing on a day chart. Let's see. On the day chart, we can see that this pair is on a downtrend. We can see that. You know, let's look at what we have here. We have this movement. We have this movement. You can see it. Okay, so you can see it is on a downtrend. And let me see if okay. Take a better look at it. You see what is happening? So I'm expecting it to at least come all the way down to this point, because that is exactly what we're having. What we're having here. And then we've cross retested this zone again. I think USDCHF is making a plan of coming further downward. So we are hoping to take advantage of that. So on the 15 minutes time frame, let's go there. So you see this line I've marked out here. This line has been holding for a while now, holding since last week Friday. You know, it has been a difficult time for the market to cross here. But then once it crosses it and retests, it will be a good confirmation to sell this pair. But then based on what we are seeing here now, so you can see it seems this pair is rejecting and is facing the upside. You can see that. But then we'll still keep our eyes on this. But whatever happens, I'll still put it out on the Telegram channel. So please don't forget to join the Telegram channel through a link in the description of this video. You will see a Telegram link on the description of this video. Please don't forget to join Telegram, so that any trade I take, I will put it out there so that you see it and when I take it and how it goes. So that's it for that. So basically these two, I'll be looking at them, but then look at what they're doing this morning. Well, let me see what happens. So let's go over to Bitcoin. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel. Thank you. So yesterday I was talking about buying Bitcoin. Yes, I said, because yesterday when I was making the video, Bitcoin was on this movement downward, on this movement coming to this area of 63,000. And I had said, should it come do that I'll be in. And that was what happened. So Bitcoin came down, tested it, then went up, gave me a new high. I joined at the end of this candle because it made me understand that Bitcoin was facing up. So I bought Bitcoin and kept some units of Bitcoin, and then it is actually in profit at the moment. So I'm expecting Bitcoin to continue this movement to at least $78,000 to $80,000. So that will be the second phase of the bullish trend for this year. So thank you. That is it for this period for today. So you stay tuned. Tomorrow we see you again. Same venue, same time. You have a great day.